This video is supplementary to all of my other content. I wanted to make an updated video on how to sign up for Google Ads Keyword Planner for free in order to get the best keywords in the business. Go on Google and type in ads, click on the first one, make sure that you make Google pay themselves for the ad. Those of you who are used to my content were probably expecting me to continue in Italian, but I changed it to English. Click start now here. I'm guessing I don't have an account here. I'm pretty sure I should not have an account on this. Okay, I don't. Perfect. So ignore everything. If you are on mobile, you might not see this option. If you're too zoomed in, you will not see this option. Okay, you need to zoom out to 100% and you need to click switch to expert mode. Once you've done that, just give it a little time to load. And then the same thing again, if you're too zoomed in, you won't see this, or sometimes on mobile, but you just want to click create an account without a campaign, and then click yes or no on here. It doesn't really matter. Just do whatever you want. Click on explore your account, and then we're already inside one of the most powerful tools in SEO. Click on tools and settings. Again, you might have to zoom out a little bit. I don't know why they do this. Don't ask me. Okay, so once we've done that, we want to click on Keyword Planner. And we are now inside the most powerful tool that you will ever meet. Click on Discover New Keywords. We may as well just have a little play around with it in this video just to show the power of this tool. It's so easy to kind of... I'm gonna show you guys what I mean, okay? I'm going to take a niche that I've never even looked into before. Okay, so I've decided to have a little look at camping, and I thought, why not use ChatGPT? If you wanted to just see how to set up Google Ads Keyword Planner, that's the video finished. But I wanted to quickly do something because I just had a really, really good idea, and I want to do it before I forget. So let's do camping, but I don't know what people take camping, so I'm going to give ChatGPT a prompt. Okay, so let's just try this prompt right here. Okay, perfect. It worked exactly as I wanted it to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write best and then tent and then for, and then I'm going to hit enter. And each of these will most likely be a good article, okay? So let's make this a little bit bigger here. Okay, yeah, you can see already best tents for, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Best tents for families. Best tents for camping, obviously. Okay, but what I really like to do is I like to click on 3-month change, and I like to go down, although some of these are probably really good. So lightweight tents for bike packing is probably insane. That's a really, really good keyword, I guarantee it. So actually, I want to take a look at this, bike packing. So I want to do tents for, and then bike packing. I want to see what kind of, yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one. Competition is high, but I mean, you know, that's to be expected. Let's be honest with you. So bike packing is a good keyword, and tents for bike packing is a good keyword. But you can basically just go through all of these one by one, and you can see what Google Ads Keyword Planner comes up with. So I prefer to do it like from a broad perspective. So tents for, or best tents for, sorry, best. So like I did before, and then doing it by 3-month change, and then maybe going to 900% instead of infinite. And some of these will have really, really high searches per month. Okay, so best tent for car camping, best tent for hot weather, best 2-person tent for backpacking is a really good keyword. And yeah, it's that easy, guys. You can probably tell by my voice I'm getting excited because this is just I guess this is what I do, and I've never really thought of a way to show people how to do it. Okay, best for. Let's see if sleeping pad has anywhere near. Yeah, it does. It literally does. It's just as popular, honestly. This is super, super interesting. So using ChatGPT to give you a list of the potential stuff that people will take with them camping or whatever niche you're in, okay? So this prompt here will give you kind of like the base keyword, okay? And then all you need to do, you don't even have to write best. I just like doing it for popular niches. because it tends to give the best results, but like you don't necessarily have to do that. So portable water purifiers for camping. What you can then do, this is just standard SEO at this point, is have a look to see what's ranking on the top page. And obviously, one of them is cleverhiker.com, outgearlab.com. There's no reason that you can't be these guys, okay? As long as you write really, really good quality stuff, or maybe even just a lot of articles using ChatGPT, which is what I've been showing you in my videos, okay? So you just take these ideas and you create an Amazon niche blog website around a niche, and you fill it with this kind of content, okay? And each one of these, as long as it's like different enough, so like these two, portable water purifier for camping, best portable water purifiers for travel, they're not necessarily the same thing. So why not just split it up, okay? And just put the same water purifiers. It doesn't actually matter at the end of the day. That's what you've got to remember. I love this. This is an absolutely fantastic method, and thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you find some amazing keywords, and there's definitely more videos coming, so make sure to subscribe. Peace out.